Hi, lovely people. How is your day going? Mine's doing fantastic. So, you read from the description, I am going to be unboxing, I thought it was upside down, the February 2019 Tribe Beauty Box. But this month is very special because they are collabing with the YouTuber Porcelain. I will leave her channel down below, and that is so exciting that a subscription box is collabing with a fellow YouTuber. So I'm so excited for you, Porcelain. If you are watching this, I doubt it, but if you are, I'm so happy for you. It has to be so exciting to see your name. So if you don't know who Porcelain is, she does a lot of like she's known for Jeffree Star reviews. She does a lot of beauty reviews. She does a lot of tutorials. She's like a variety channel, but she makes a video like every single day. I mean, she is definitely dedicated, but she has very pale skin and she's known for her colorful eye looks. So make sure you go ahead and check her out. Like I said, I will leave her link down below. All right, so getting to the Tribe box. Let me tell you a little bit about this. So this is a $34.99 a month box. This is an international box. It is based in Canada. I live in the US. And I told you it's a, I don't know if I said monthly, it's a bi-monthly box. So every other month, you are guaranteed to get worth over $100 in products. But in the box every month, you always get a product for your face, a product for your skin prep, an eye product, a lip product, and a tool. You're guaranteed to get one thing to do your whole face. So I like that as well. Well, like I said, without further ado, because I like to babble. Did I cut this? Let's cut this real quick. Okay. And let's see what I got. I know there's a palette that was in there, and you could got one or the other. I don't know what this was, but all right. Oh, so here's Porcelain right here. She's very beautiful. So this tells you what everything is and gives you the prices and tells you a little bit about each thing. So the first thing that I'm pulling up is 2 sheet masks from Masquerade, which we seem to be getting a lot of these in our subscription boxes. So they're okay. They're not my favorite, but they're absolutely okay. These are $6 for both of them, so they're probably, what, $3 a piece. And it just says, every day your skin loses essential moisture and nutrients while you prepare for your beauty sleep. The hydrating sheet mask formula goes to work, leaving it silky, smooth, and supple by morning. So I love sheet mask. I love skincare, so I'm not knocking that. So then we have an IBY Beauty Velour Liquid Lipstick. And this is $12, and you could have got it in Berry, or Naked. What color did I get? Mine says Flirt. That's weird. Okay, so this says Flirt, so let's open her up and see. Maybe they ran out of the other shades. Yeah, so I got it in Flirt. I don't know if you guys can see. It's in Flirt, and it says, so I don't know, but this is like a very light color. So I'll swatch it because, like, see how I got like lipstick up here. Let me not mess with it before it goes everywhere. So if I wear like a dark color and I want to lighten it up, then I'll go with a light shade like this and then like put it on top or maybe right in the middle, because I think this will be too light for me to wear it on my own. Oh, maybe not. That's not that light. Doesn't really have a scent. That's a pretty color. I thought it was going to be lighter than that because it's darker when it's swatched. So that's actually really pretty. All right. The next thing I got is from Wander Beauty. This is a Glow Ahead face oil, and I love oils and serums, especially at nighttime. And then I'll use maybe like an oil right before I put my makeup on and just go ever so slightly right under my eyes so that it, you know, because they're very dry and I got some fine lines going on. All right, so this is $48. Wow, did I tell you? Yeah, the lipstick was $12. So I've only tried a few things from Wander Beauty and I liked everything so far. I have tried their foundation sticks and I don't typically go for foundation sticks, but they're so creamy. I love them. But they're like $40 a piece. What else did I try? I tried their lipsticks. Their bullet lipsticks were like very creamy. Loved it. Their mascara was okay. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. So now I get to try their face oil. So this is exciting. I really like this brand. All right, let me cut it. It's taped up pretty good. Okay. Come on in. See, I don't edit my videos, and this would be perfect to edit like this airspace out. Okay, I think I got her. Okay, so this is what she looks like. Let's see. Okay, so you just like turn it. All right, so it looks like that, the applicator, and you would just like, you know, put it on your face. So that's exciting. I am definitely excited to try this. All right, so far I'm happy. The last thing is the one I like the best. I'll show you last. Okay, so we got the Luxie Flawless Eye Set right there. That's really pretty. All right, how much is this? So this is $30. This is take your party looks to the next level with this professional grade eyes brush set. Tackle the most precise eye looks with this set. So that's really nice. They're very small in detail, which is great because I have slightly hooded eyes since I am in my 40s. And these are good for if you have hooded eyes. So I am so excited to definitely try that. And last but not least is an eyeshadow palette. And this is from Suva Beauty. I do love Suva Beauty eyeshadow. You could have got either the Block Party or the Saffron palette. The Block Party was the colorful one. And of course, if you know Porcelain, she does a lot of colorful eye looks. But they sold out, and she was very surprised how quickly that they sold out. So that would have been $30, and I got the Saffron palette that was $35. So this is $5 more. And I'm kind of happy to get this because I do wear color, but I won't wear that every day. It's not something I'll always wear. So I'm kind of glad to get this one, actually. All right, let's open her up. That's pretty packaging right there. All right, so it has a mirror. Oh, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. I am so excited to get this. That is so pretty. All right, let's do some swatches. I'm going to go from row to row. All right. So let's see. Oh my God, and it's so creamy. Or not creamy, like silky. So that's the first three. Oh my God, look at the colors. Look at that, guys. That one there is light. It's like my skin tone. Where is my... Okay, let me wipe my hands off. All right, now I'm going to go into the middle one. All right. I mean... This just feels really nice. So there we go. So pretty. What in the world? Okay. Yeah, this is a gorgeous palette. Look at that, guys. So pretty. All right, let me go into the last row right there. And it's like each row, you can kind of get an eye look, kind of like. It's so pretty. All right, so this one here is more like textured, you know. Okay, let's see. The rest of them are good. So there we go. Oh, that's pretty though. That is gorgeous. Oh my God. Okay, let me go in again. The brown is a little bit chalky, but it is definitely workable. Look, I always do that with my swatches. I gotta get better at them. But if you guys can see, that is just so pretty. Let me show you again. I really like this. I am so excited. This is probably one of my favorite boxes this so far since I've been getting the Tribe. And what's good is the owner, Billy, is actually going through the companies now. So I think that's exciting. I think Tribe Beauty Box is definitely stepping it up. I will leave a link down below if you want to try it out. So let's recap what we got again. We got this gorgeous palette. I mean, this is just gorgeous. I mean, Porcelain, you did a good job. And then we got an eye brush set, and who doesn't like to get brushes? We got the face oil, which I love skincare. We got this. This is like, I could take it or leave it, you know? And is that everything? Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I? Oh, and the lipstick, which is really pretty. And actually, that lipstick goes with this palette. So I am excited to get that. All right, guys, that's everything. The Try Beauty Box. Let me know. I know it's $34, almost $35. It's a little expensive, but I like the fact that it's every other month. It's not every month, so that's exciting. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of this box? Do you get it? Are you thinking about getting? Do you want to get it? Let me know. Please like this video if you like unboxings. Don't forget to make sure you're subscribed so you can get into the future giveaway that will be up within a week. And that's everything I have to say. As always, guys, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.